So the reason why I take piano lessons, one of the reasons why, is to empathise with my customers. So obviously I do this on a regular sort of weekly basis, so that I'm thinking about, I'm experiencing a situation myself of learning something. So my customers come to me, they might be a bit nervous, they don't know me, they've got to try and learn something in an environment that keeps them safe and where they enjoy themselves, so that they get as much out of it as well. So I learn the piano so that I'm experienced a learning situation myself, so that I'm not, it's not a foreign thing to me. I can analyse the way I'm taught the piano, how I feel after I've been corrected. If I feel down or feel happy, I feel that I'm learning something, and whether those feelings help me to improve my piano playing or my piano playing gets worse. So this can be used when you're teaching people to drive, so I can transfer those things that help me when I'm playing a piano to help people when they're driving, so that I'm able to sort of see that's how I felt and that helped me feel good about playing a piano. I can use the same when I'm teaching people how to drive, so they can see how they can improve their driving.